Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the LG TP5250. It's a LG phone with Sprint. The battery in this phone is really bad. It really does not hold a charge very long. So hopefully we can get a full boot up and everything of it. Let's go ahead and open it up. Alrighty, on this side you're going to get the desktop charger, which connects to the terminals on the battery, or on the battery on the back of the phone. Here's the phone, the battery, and then here is the wall charger for the desktop charger. It does not actually come with a phone charger itself. You have to charge it through this desktop charger. There's a Sprint branded AC adapter. Alrighty, you can see it's got 3 bars left, but I don't think it's going to be on there for that much longer, truthfully. On the left side, you have your 2.5mm headphone jack, your volume up and down keys. I'm not sure what that one in the center is. We'll double check it. On the bottom, you have your proprietary LG charging port. I don't know if I can get that open or not, guys. I don't actually have a charger for it either. And then on the right side, nothing. On the 2 bottom pieces right here, you see this is where the charger actually hooks into. On the top, you do have a pull-out antenna. Your lanyard strap in the corner. On the front, you have a green display. I can't remember the actual name of it, but there's actual black and green display. Sprint logo, LG logo. There's 2 LEDs in this blue piece. They light up at the very ends. Opening it up, you have a rubber keypad that lights up in green. There's your front display. It is also a green and black display. I'm going to actually put it on the desktop charger for you guys to see. So here's the phone, just clips in place. As you can see, it starts charging. And it actually has 2 clips, so it actually stays in the place. You have to pull it up and it'll unclip. There's 2 little clips down here in the bottom. And it doesn't actually have a send key. The OK key is actually the send key on this phone, so that's pretty weird. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.